Whoa, 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 wait. Your protector is broken. That's fine. I can help you. You change it, and we're gonna use this one, the FanCat. Just take the phone, open a cabin, pull it in like this. This arrow goes to the orange tab. Close the cabin. Now slowly pull it out to remove any dust. 2 moves. Pull down and push up. And just like this, in less than 20 seconds, your new screen protector is applied. No bubbles, no dust. This is the privacy version, which is giving you coverage 28 degrees from both sides. It's also fingerproof and really tough. It's so hard to break. Just check this out, it's super dusty. Oh, the sound is amazing. If you like this product, don't waste your time and get yours now.